A vision for the development of an enterprise. A series of grand blueprints of brand resurgence. A great dream for national rejuvenation is bursting with passion. This is the power of dreams. Gratitude, unity, struggle, and innovation. Open the prelude to the new revolution of intelligent cutting of flexible materials. Intelligence, high efficiency, environmental protection, and stability give flexible materials new mission and enthusiasm. Product is a work. Perfect cutting plan is the crystallization of the progress and exploration of the AOL CNC people. AOL CNC keeps up with social development needs, constantly strives for innovative design, delves into cutting-edge technology, facilitates product iterative upgrades, provides perfect solution for every customer. We make unremitting efforts, strictly control the quality and details, strictly check every small point, optimize the operation flow, make it easier for customers to operate.
We liked what the AOL had to offer. We liked the approach of AOL. The build quality was outstanding, and we realized the technology available would be a genuine asset to our business, helping us overcome issues and guiding us along the way. And when we have had minor learning curve issues that needed AOL to visit, the next day's service has been brilliant. The 5-year-old machine was still performing very well and was extremely reliably, as we could see when it was being installed originally. This made giving us clear productivity and efficiency advantages on a machine that we expect to see out another 10 years easily.
Make employees full of happiness, enhance the competitiveness of products, the influx of talents, makes enterprises shine. The AOL CNC people move forward together with deep affection. It's just because of the persistence of dreams and ideas. It's just because of a group of people who recognize AOL CNC and also recognized by AOL CNC. The company, which specializes in smart cutting equipment, after nearly 10 years development, has become the leader in the digital cutting industry in the North. From design to assembly, AOL CNC strictly controls every production link, repeatedly checks the operation accuracy of the equipment, constantly strives for perfection. We focus on each little progress, keep moving into new industries, build leading brand for digital cutting in China. Let AOL CNC embrace the world, create value and realize dream. In constant persistence, AOL CNC has gained the recognition and respect of the market and the public. It's a hard process. In this process, we have transformed the concepts of product quality and service quality into actions. We pursue persistently for employees, customers, and society. We constantly build dreams, run and take off. Pursuing excellence is our mission. Never give up, keep going, and try your best. Develop smarter products and provide better services. In the future, AOL CNC will cooperate to win with you.